If you'd like to use the appointment slots function on Google Calendar, this is a video to show you how to do that. So if you're looking at my schedule, you may not see all these things. I'll turn off the theater class schedule here, but you're going to see information about when I may or may not be available, as well as what class I may be in. But you will see office hours here listed, but they have this little box around them, which means that they are appointment slots. So you need to go to the appointment page for this calendar to select an appointment slot. For office hours, you can always just drop by. However, if you have something specific to talk to me about and you want to be assured that you get time with me, the office hour time slot is the best way to go. Also, if you're someone like me who just likes to sort of know how your day is laid out, it's a great way to access me. So when you go to the slot, when you go to the appointment page, you're going to see this. And these boxes indicate times that you can go ahead and select and claim for yourself. So there's the office hours time slots, but you may see other time slots. So for instance, my lighting design class needs to do a practical portion with the Genie Lift so that they can be certified. You may see these time slots and they may not apply to you. Those time slots are for that purpose. But you may also just see general appointment slots. If I'm going to be on campus anyway, and it's a day of the week that I don't mind sort of putting a several hour block down, I'll create separate appointment slots. So to claim any one of these, you would select a box. And you would, maybe write, I want to meet with Professor Swigger about coursework questions, right? And then you hit the save button, and that will notify me that you've claimed an appointment slot, and then you show up and we'll talk. So that's how you use that. I would warn you that you have to scroll up and down, so it'll automatically transport you where the red line, so basically where you are in the day. So you may not see more appointment slots. You have to sort of scroll up. It's not super intuitive. Also, you have to select the correct week, right? So if you're looking to meet with me next week, it's going to put you on today. So you may just need to move to next week, see what's available, and claim your time.